Ladies and gentlemen, today's episode of Camp Griddlemore may not go well for me.
No, whatever.
For me, because I have challenged this man, CJ Frazier, to a hot dog duel.
This, I can officially say, is my first hot dog duel. And I hope it's not my last.
And we will have judges, and hearts will be broken.
And all
I
of this
be
is
crying
taking
in the corner.
All this is taking place in beautiful Florida, where we got all the pros to show up. So
I flew down to Florida to make a hot dog. So I'm making the Camp Mojo Dog. That's the house dog at Camp Griddlemore. I don't really know what dog he's making because he Jedi mind tricked me and got my list of ingredients.
It's totally true.
I don't have his.
So I think it's gonna be. It's like a Tex-Mex hot dog. What we can call it, or like a Southwestern hot dog.
It's going to be the Camp Mojo Dog versus the Southwestern Dog. Let's get camping and let's get cooking. All right, let's get this contest started. I'm going to go down with my bacon first. I'm using about 1 piece of bacon for each of the hot dogs I'm going to make. And I'm going to flip that back and forth and keep a close eye on it so I don't burn it. And then after the bacon is done and I pull that off the griddle, I'm going to get my hot dogs cruising right in the bacon grease.
Now, slot dog, right?
So we're both slot dogs.
We slot dog. Yep.
Both decided. Very cool gadget. We
Very
both made the last second decision to pull the slot dog out. Glad that we did. We're also going to get our onions cruising right now and griddle those up. And then we're going to toast our buns. And I want a nice, firm, solid toast on these buns so the buns have really, really good integrity.
Love that.
Yeah, for sure. Helps hold everything together at the end. When I pull those buns off, I'm going to go down with the pub cheese. All right, I'm so glad that I found the same pub cheese in your grocery store that I have in my grocery store.
It's a weakness of mine.
Very good stuff. And then after that, we're going to assemble everything all together. We're going to do the onions. We're going to add some jalapenos. We're going to do bacon bits. We're going to give this thing a post dust, and then we are almost ready to go.
A post dust is a must, and now I gotta say, this is insane, but let's talk about my dog here. So I'm gonna kick things off, actually it's Southwestern, with some chorizo. Gonna get this on my Blackstone, on like a medium high, medium low, kind of there in the middle. Get that cooked up. Definitely wanna make sure that this is all done. Gonna remove this in a bowl whenever it's complete because I want to keep some of that chorizo fat over there. Now let's talk hot dogs. I've got my Nathan's hot dog. I'm gonna slot dog this. This, in my opinion, might be why I take it at the end. We shall see, though, because
I'm rocking Hebrew National Dogs. Also went with the slot dog, which is a very cool gadget.
So we got Hebrew, we got National. We're just going hardcore over here. These dogs are looking incredible. While they're cooking, I'm gonna actually get this pico-ish style put together here. I've got some tomato, some red onion, and then I'm gonna do, instead of fresh jalapenos, I'm gonna do pickled jalapenos with a little bit of that vinegar from the jalapenos. It's super, super flavorful. This is gonna be awesome. All right, now, dogs are off. This is where it's gonna get interesting. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna put down a little bit of shredded cheese. On top of that, I'm gonna put some chorizo. Dude, I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna see. We'll just find out here at the end.
I am feeling a little intimidated at that point, but we've got to both get our hot dogs assembled and throw them to the judges for the ultimate test.
That's right. So once I've got that chorizo on, I'm going to put my bun down and pull them off when that cheese is nice and toasty. And now it's just time to assemble. I'm going to, of course, drop down the bun. We're going to add a bed of lettuce. I decided to put the lettuce on the bottom. We'll see how this goes. Dog on top. Going to add some of that pico, a little bit of crema on here because we're fancy. And then of course the post dust is a must, my friends. I gotta say both of these are looking awesome. I really don't know how this is gonna go, but I love how mine turned out as far as beauty.
Presentation looks amazing on yours. Time for the ultimate test. All right, it's time to, you were about to start talking.
No, just go.
It's time to bring our judges in. It's time to bring our judges in.
This was madness. They're gonna come in.
You didn't cut yours in half yet. You didn't cut yours in half yet.
I refuse.
They look nicer because
this man does not do
I'm not gonna eat half a hot dog.
I guess you can start with the Camp Mojo Dog because he was keeping his pretty for as long as he possibly can.
All right. So we've got the Southwestern Dog versus, what do we call it? The
Camp Mojo Dog.
Camp
the Southwestern Dog.
All right.
I'm a little nervous. That's a beautiful looking hot dog over there, my friend.
But it might not taste good.
Presentation, even though you're my competitor here.
I appreciate that, sir.
Presentation.
All right, girls, over there, come over here, taste these. Let's get going here.
Let's
They were enjoying the hot dog.
No, I know, but we just need to wrap this up so we know that I'm the winner. Obviously.
You know that he's the bacon on there?
Okay, well played.
CJ has very nice bun integrity. over there. The buns held together.
It's not the first time I've heard that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh boy.
Okie dokie.
But it will be the last.
It's hard.
This is really hard.
I'm taking this seriously here.
Okay, I don't want a hit job on CJ.
No,
I can take it.
I can take
Okay.
it too.
I can
I'm
take
okay
it.
to
I'm good
lose
with whatever-
if I lose
That's
fairly.
hard.
I'm at
It is.
peace
That's a
with
hard
whatever
one. I
happens
think I
here.
have
I'll
the
be at
answer.
peace.
I'm at peace with whatever
I
happens
really
here.
like both hot dogs. I feel like there's too much going on in CJ's dog.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe one too
Okay.
many flavors.
One too many flavors.
I'm gonna go with the Camp Mojo Dog.
Andy Steele for U.S. Senate.
You would. All right.
This
Betty?
Well
this
done.
is like home. This is like what your mom would make for you, or your dad.
But
would
my mom
make
never
for
made
you.
for me. Okay.
We didn't talk about that. Yours is really good too, but I'm gonna have to go with this one. I would have went with jumbo dogs for all of that. I mean, you need a bigger dog for all
Now
of
let's
that,
wrap it up
Mary.
already. What's going on here, ladies?
Okay, I don't
Objective.
really have,
Objective.
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 I don't really have good reasons, but I liked that one a little more.
Oh,
But this one was so
I-
good too.
I have to say though, his presentation.
No, we don't go there. We're
Okay.
not. No, don't
Wait,
placate
Wait, I
here.
just won.
I'm losing.
I just won.
But
are you gonna
is it as a 4 sweep?
I think there's too much going on with CJ's.
Oh my gosh!
Jeremy, you
It's a
win.
sweep. It's over. Whatever. Charlie, my dogs, you can eat
The
whatever.
Camp Mojo Dog.
Good job,
Go
guys.
camping and make your own hot dogs.
Thank you, everybody.
I
We'll
am
see you
going to
on
finish
next week's
these.
episode of Camp Griddlemore.
Whatever.